the more functionality. Set MPG, set gas, get gas, get odometer is there. Now let's implement the drive function, and then number of miles are provided. Then here void car class drive miles is provided. Then we can compute how many miles with this given miles, how many gas will be needed. So double gas needed is number of miles divided by MPG is there. So at this moment, the MPG should be some value, otherwise it won't work like that. So without setting MPG, we may have an error there. So for our safety, we should assert that MPG is at least 1 mile, something like that. Otherwise, this should not be called, meaning that set MPG has not. At least 1 is just for checking and the like. So in real car, it should be a much bigger number. Assert is in C assert library. It's there. So here is that. Then another thing we should assert is that we should have enough gas. So gas needed is smaller than current gas level or equal to. Otherwise, we cannot proceed. Then we can now drive, increment miles accumulated, and then gas level should be deducted. Gas needed is consumed. So that's the basic one. Let's test the program. C1 set miles per gallon is 10 or 20 miles per gallon. It's there, and then drive for 40 miles. Then 2 gallons will be consumed. 2 gallons consumed like that. And then let's verify C1 is functioning okay. Go back to terminal, compile, start debug. C1, let's unfold. Step over. Now miles per gallon 20, gas 10.05, odometer is 0. Drive step over. Then we have driven 40 miles. Gas 2 gallons are deducted, so it works fine. Or to verify, stop the debug, start again, and then go to the driver function, step into, then we can verify. Now we are in C1, so keyword this is referring to that. So those are the values. Miles of 40 is provided. Step over, gas needed is computed, which is 2 gallons. Then everything works fine. So we verify those ones.